course comes, then we can now bring it back. Open up.
No matter how old your parents are, whether it is 100 years, just 2 weeks ago, I went to celebrate with one of our elders in the church at Kayama, who clocked 100 years and was still reading without glasses and was still walking without support. And that can only be the grace of God. And so we all pray to be as old as our mother who is lying in state here today, but we would have wished that she would have died hereafter, particularly against the background that her daughter today is the #1 lady of our state, River State. But we can only wish God decides when any one of us will go. And that is why I always fall in love with the Anglican Church where I was brought up through my father. And we have these native songs of saying that whatever you have is just temporary on earth here. And that everything actually belongs to God. And so whatever power we have is temporary. It's transient. But the ultimate is that we will answer the call of God.
We are all here this afternoon to say bye-bye to Mama. And I want you to go home with something. And by the grace of God, I don't think there will be any counter to that one today. While I was on my way coming, I read through something, and it said, how do we live our life? Can we live in such a way that when we are no more, our names can open doors for our children? That is what I want you to go home with. Mama has lived her life. Mama's name has opened a lot of doors, not just for our immediate children or biological children, even those people that are close to Mama. When you mention that you know so person, doors were opened. So I want every one of us here to go back and reflect in our lives. We must, it's important, live life. Now when we are no more, and our children that will be there when we are gone, when they mention our names, not just my own Fubara, but any other name, let that name open doors for them. I want to thank every one of you this afternoon, more especially our leaders, the true leaders of our dear state. Leaders because one of the reasons why one is called a leader is with your experience and your age. True leaders that are here to support us in this trying time. I want to thank every one of you and to say that continue to stand for what is right and what is true.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.